How to use Bluetooth on your laptop or computer. Welcome to How to Do. I'm Gogi from How to Do, and today we're gonna talk about that how to use a Bluetooth device on your laptop or computer. I mean you want to connect speaker, you want to connect headphones, Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, and anything you can do on your laptop or computer. What do you have to do? We have to go to, first of all, this arrow, and go to this Bluetooth option and go to this show devices. Now you can use it from over here, but if you don't find it there, just go to the start menu and type Bluetooth over there and press over there. Now as you can check out, it's showing you all the settings over here. Even though if you don't find that Bluetooth, just try to download and install the Bluetooth drivers in your laptop or computer, so that you get Bluetooth icon installed over there. But even though if you are not successful, that means you don't have a Bluetooth in your laptop or computer, then what you can do, you can go to just a link provided on the products tagged, and from there you can buy a Bluetooth USB device that you have to install it, and after that you can use. But if you don't have Wi-Fi too, then you should buy this one has a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth also, BT and Wi-Fi. Now you can buy any of them and anyone from them and install that. After that you will see that your Bluetooth is installed into your laptop or computer. Now you have to go to the Bluetooth for using the settings, go over there, and from there you can add a device. And devices, which types devices, you have to choose this one for audio devices: mic, keyboards, pens, phones, controllers, etc. You have to just choose that, and after that you will see devices over here. That's my smart monitor from Samsung, and it's showing its wireless option. Then you can choose this one. But if you want to choose any phone or anything else, you can choose from over here. Now I have already connected these Bluetooth earphones. We have to just connect it from over here. We can use them, and over here the mobile phones connected, and we can even use internet using them. Just connect and use the internet from that devices. So that was the process. And if you want to send and receive files from this process using Bluetooth, you can send the file and receive files from laptop, computer, mobile, etc. So you can use these functions. For those, I have already provided the video. You can check out in the description below, and on the I button. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friend. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning new things every day.